we're back. We washed the beard, rinsed it real good. Now we're applying conditioner to the hair. Because even though this is facial hair, we still want to make sure we condition the hair to keep it nice and soft. And that way it's not all hard and brittle and rough for the contact. So we're going to let this conditioner set in the hair, penetrate through, condition it real good, and then we'll rinse it out. Okay, so now we just got finished rinsing out the conditioner. Beard is nice and soft. I'll let the client tell you. Is the beard soft to you?
Oh yeah, very nice. Okay.
That way, when he touches his face up against whoever, she will not be like, "Oh, wait a minute, it's too rough." Ladies like a nice soft beard up against their face, so that's what he has. He has the color that he desires, the looks that he wanted. So I think our job is done here, huh?
Thank you.
Okay, you're so welcome. Thank you for tuning in to Let's Chat. You all be blessed.